Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto.
Quick follow-up here, and we've got big news. We just broke past 89,000, setting a fresh local all-time high at 89,500. So while we're clearly in exciting territory, I realized I missed a couple of key points in the last video. First, let's talk about something I miscalculated. In that last update, I measured potential 30% dips from low to high instead of from the top down, which skewed our targets. To set it straight, I've created a red box to represent a minus 30% dip, placing it around the yellow channel. Here's what we're actually looking at. Starting from the lower boundary of the yellow channel at 69.5 thousand, we'd need to hit 100,000 flat to allow a 30% dip to land right back at that lower boundary. For the mid-bar of the yellow channel, around 71,000, we'd need a peak of 102,000 for a similar 30% pullback. Lastly, from the upper boundary of 75,000, we'd need to climb to about 107,000 for a 30% dip to bring us back down to 69.5 thousand. These potential dips are noteworthy, but given our positioning, they don't seem super likely right now, as dropping below the most recent all-time high isn't typical in a bull run like this one. And one last major point I missed. We've seen a whopping $368,680,000 in shorts liquidated in just the past 24 hours. The market makers are seriously cashing in here, and those shorts didn't stand a chance. Thanks for tuning into this update. Be sure to join the Discord for real-time signals, entry and exit points, and my latest insights. And of course, hit like and subscribe to stay on top of every move we make. Stay sharp and trade smart.
And see you in the next one.